How you doing? I'm Louie Gamino with Enviroscape LA. We're here at another project of ours, and we're just gonna do a quick lighting video. Now, previously, back in the olden days, so to speak, when we very first started doing landscaping, all outdoor lighting was either 110, which is high voltage, or low voltage, 12 volt. Nowadays, technology has come so far that all of these lights that we install here, we utilize the Luxor system, which is an app made by FX, and it downloads to your phone. So that just like on the interior of your home where you have dimmable lights for certain situations, maybe you're highlighting a piece of art, maybe you're highlighting a reading area, maybe it's just the living room, maybe it's mood lighting, we do that now for the outdoors as well. And we'll just give just a quick brief little tutorial here. If you notice, we have two different lights here. We have a path light, which is the copper and the patina, then we have this uplight here. So the purpose of this uplight is to uplight this post here. It's kind of an entryway. Now we also have uplights on various shrubs and trees throughout the landscape. Now it's a fair statement to say that we do not want the same amount of light being output on that shrub as we do on a larger tree out front. And at the same time, as that shrub grows taller, or as the tree grows taller there in the front, we're gonna want more light output over the next several years. So we'll just take a quick look at this one particular fixture here. And mind you, this fixture is mirrored throughout the landscape. So right now that fixture is pretty bright. Now this post here is only about 8 feet tall. So it was at 100%, but if you notice, and I'll take a few minutes here, it will slowly dim. See how it just dimmed down right there? The illumination on that light. So right now that fixture is operating at 5%. I'm gonna go ahead and increase it here by using the app on my phone. And just watch how the fixture illuminates more. Now it is now operating at 100%. So it could be that the homeowner comes out here and we're gonna dial all this in. Maybe he wants this particular fixture only operating at 30% just to get this post here illuminated just enough. But perhaps that same fixture, the one that's highlighting the shrub here, maybe this one will be illuminating at 60% of its total usage here. And then 2-3 years from now, maybe he wants to operate at 80%. Same thing throughout the entire landscape. So all the path lights, all of the uplights throughout this project, they are zone dimming. So meaning each particular fixture can illuminate more, you can also dim it down at the same time. Now the backyard is where we have all the color changing fixtures that are also zone dimming. So those come in handy, like people use them around the holidays, maybe like red and green for Christmas, St. Patrick's Day, people kind of do all green, 4th of July, red, white, and blue. Halloween, everything was kind of orange. So people utilize the system. It can be as independent and as flexible as you need it to be. All done on your iPhone. You can use the Luxor app. Again, using the FX transformer, technology has come a long way, and we utilize as much of it as possible here at Enviroscape LA. So when you think sustainability, low voltage lighting, and technology, think Enviroscape LA.